Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make an Instagram AI influencer with this simple tool. The name of the tool is Synthllife, and this AI tool will allow you to craft your very own virtual realistic AI influencer. All these people, they do not exist physically. So if you're someone who is looking to make an AI influencer channel, this is the best tool for you. So this AI tool is an all-in-one solution for creating, growing and even monetizing your virtual influencer. So let's jump right in. To get started, simply click on login and then sign in with your Google account. So for the first time you log in, it will ask you to build a face for your AI influencer. In here you need to put in 2 different celebrity names. It could be any imaginary name. Choose the hair color and then click on update. And then you can straight away start creating content with this face, or you can make a new one by clicking on update again. I'll just use this one, so I'll click on start creating content. So after generating the face, our next step is to generate some images. Go on the left and click on create images. In here you will find 3 different options. The first one is auto generate, where you can let the AI generate the image for you. The next one is photo studio, which is this, where you can mention the clothing, the background and even the pose. After that we have the image clone, where you can upload an image of yours and the AI influencer will generate that pose for you. So let's try with the photo studio first. Let's try a blue denim jacket. Mention what kind of background you're looking for. From here you can select the pose. I'll just go with random. Select the number of images you want and then select the aspect ratio. After that, just click on generate. And there you go, the AI has generated these images for us. Look at how realistic these images are. So let's say I like this picture, so I'll just click on add to gallery. Select the one you like the most and then you can click on download and save it to your computer. Let's go to auto generate feature now. In here you just have to click on auto generate and the AI will make the images for you. Alright, so the AI has generated 7 different images with 7 different clothing and poses. As you can see, all these images are very realistic and it's very natural. Select the ones you like the most and then add to gallery, or you can save it to your computer. So here is another AI model that I have created, and now let's create some images with this model. We're gonna use the image clone feature now. In here all you have to do is just upload your image and the AI will recreate that for you. Alright, so this is the image that I've selected and then click on generate. And there you go, the AI has created the images for us. So this is the original image and the AI has recreated that same pose. Alright, so now if you want to create some viral images that are trending on Instagram, then we have a feature for that as well. Go to your left and then click on Insta feed. In here you'll see all these images that are currently trending on Instagram. And all you have to do is just select the image that you like and then click on create similar and the AI will generate the image based on this. And after that we have the create video options. In here you can use TikTok video links and then you can swap the face on the video with your AI model. Or you can use a custom face and upload your own image. So let's paste in our link here and then click on upload video. So when you first log into Synthllife, and you'll get a 7 days trial for free. And then you'll get free generation up to 3 times per day. So if you're really into these AI influencers, then you can definitely check out the subscription option, which they're offering a 50% off. And then you can generate unlimited images and videos. Alright, so that's about it for today. Do check out Synthllife. It's a fun and innovative way to explore the world of virtual influencers. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.